Hello and welcome to this market strategy hub. In this episode, I am going to explain and show you how I made 13% return profit in just 3 trading days, but still loss trading in Adani Energy Solution. So this is the chart. This is 1 week time frame. As you can see, stock is in upward direction, that is uptrend, trading in this within this line. On the upper side, that is this red line, and below this is green line. Since November, that is 2024, it has been trading within this zone. So I went to 1 day time frame. This is 1 day time frame. The stock, after making this high, that is 1060 level, it started to fall and came to this previous support zone, that is 800 level, 870 level. It tried to take support from this level, but after pullback, it failed. It broke this support zone, and after breaking this support zone, it took support at this lower line, that is this red line, green line. So after coming to this line, the buyer step in. So there's pullback here, and then once more it tried to make her high, that is the latest high, but it failed to make her high, and once again it came down to this level again. And after consolidating for so many days, stock started to fall. So I was waiting for my entry at this zone, that is 891 level, and my second entry level is this zone at this confluence, but it never came to this zone. After reaching this 895 level, see, there is a gap here, so I was hoping market either to fill this gap or come down to this level, but it never came down to this level. After filling this gap on Thursday, April 2, it went up and from a bullish pin bar. So I got the signal, but I want to make more confirmation. So I went to 1 week time frame again. This is 1 week time frame. What I did was I use Fibonacci retracement. So I draw this retracement. So see, it came down to this 0.6 level and took support from this level, that is 0.6 level. So I got more confirmation, and I further went to 1 hour time frame for more confirmation. This is 1 hour time frame. See, this red candle broke this support level, the level, and then it came down to this 900 level, and from there the stock took a reverse move, that is it reversed back and closed above this previous candle, that is this red candle, closed above this candle, that is around 943. So I make my entry after this small green candle. I make my entry from this candle, that is around this level. My entry is around 440, 40 level, and my stop loss is right below this candle, green bullish candle, around 22, and my target is this high. See, this high, how I got this target is, let me show you. See, this is the latest high, but my target is this level, that is 1080 level. So I entered on Monday and I exited on Wednesday. It hit my target on Wednesday. I exited because it hit my target, and same thing is there is a lot of rejection. See this, there is a lot of rejection, so I got afraid. I exited at around 1060 level, 667 level, and after I exited, what happened to the stock? Next day it consolidated and started to move up. See, I lost this big move, that is around 1079 to 1158 level. I nearly lost around 70-80 move. So this is one of the biggest mistake in trading. We always taking a loss side, keep going, but we exit too early at the profit side. So if you exit based on fear, you always miss this kind of big move. Without a proper target or plan, even a winning trade feel like a loss. So what's the solution? So next time, use use a target, set a target, or use a trailing stop loss. In my case, I should have deployed both. That is, target plus set a trailing stop loss. So it is what it is. I hope you enjoyed my video, and thank you for watching.